Hey YouTube, it's just me again. Another vacuum video, but I have to kind of wear these because the machine we're doing a video on today is this good old Kenmore Power Plus 2-speed heavy duty. It's like a Magic type machine, 2-speed automatic height adjustment. Got this for $20 at a local resale shop, basically a thrift shop, and the bearings in the motor are shot, I think. I will quickly run it, and I wanted to do this video just quickly because it's going immediately in the vault, which is where it'll never be ran again. So I'll just set you up there, and I'll let you guys listen to just how this thing sounds, because it does not sound healthy. And you might be able to service the motor, but it's rare enough. I kind of don't want to do that. So, as you could probably hear, that poor thing has bad motor bearings. Now, it runs, and it cleans, quite well actually, but it's not going to be run again. At least not until I get enough know-how to replace the motors in that bearing. So, for now, that will be the first and last video of that machine. Thank you guys for watching. Leave a like, subscribe if you feel like it, and see you guys in the next one.